Good morning, my name is Kevin. We're going to be doing section 5.4, number 15. The question reads, find an angle theta with 0 degrees less than theta less than 360 or 0 less than theta less than 2 pi that has the same sine value as pi over 3. So I'm going to start out with creating my unit circle. Now these unit circles, I usually start here at this guy being 0 degrees, 360 degrees, or 2 pi. That leaves us pi here. That leaves us pi over 2. Now we need to find where this pi over 3 fits in our unit circle so we can get our sine, cosine, all that jazz. So we're going to start here at our 1 o'clock, then take our 45 degree, and then our 2 o'clock, and our 3 o'clock. There. So these are all going to read pi over 6, pi over 4, and 2 pi over 6, or pi over 3. That being our angle here that we're trying to find, pi over 3. So now if we take the unit circle again, we know where our pi over 3 is up here at this angle here. So what we're going to do is just draw that angle, and then I'm going to take and make a little dashed line here to represent our triangle. So we are on the shorter distance here since we are closer to our 90, which is going to give us 1/2 for our coordinates. Now we are on the tallest position here as well, and from what we've been taught, root 3 over 2 is going to be your longer angle here. Now we need to find something that has the same sine or y value as this pi over 3. The only other option we're going to have for that is going to be this one here. Now if this was pi over 3 and this is pi over 2, technically it's 2 pi over 6, 3 pi over 6, which is going to be pi over 2. And then we're going to have the next values here. If this was 3 pi over 6, this is going to be 4 pi over 6. This is going to be 5 pi over 6. And this is going to be, if that's 1 pi over 4, 2 pi over 4, 3 pi over 4. So, out of these three recurring angles, we need a positive root 3 over 2. The only other quadrant, if you recall, quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4, we have plus, plus, minus, plus, minus, minus, and plus, minus. So we need the y value to be positive. The only other quadrant is quadrant 2. So we take that quadrant 2, that's got our positive y value, and then this is going to be the only guy that has the same sine value as that, because the other one here would only have that root 2 over 2 sine value. So this guy here is going to give us negative 1/2, comma, positive root 3 over 2. And this value here being 4 pi over 6 or 2 pi over 3. And our answer, 2 pi over 3. If he's asking for the degree answer, we can also give him that. Our first dash, pi over 6, being 30 degrees. The middle dash being 45 degrees. The higher being 60 degrees. Let me see this guy being 90 degrees. And we can find that degree value by taking our unit circle again. Now the distance here to there, we obviously all know is 90 degrees, but to get that extra little bit here, since he is the first sixth on that side of the 90, you add in the 30 degrees that we would have found here from 0 to 30. It's the same distance. Treat this as your 0. Your first tick mark made your 30. So 90 minus 60 equals 30, plus the 90 from getting up to the 90 degree equals 120 degrees. So it's going to be 2 pi over 3 or 120 degrees. Sorry, I did that a little bit off the side. Thank you guys. Have a good day.